before we're going to jump right in, the unit I'll be styling up today is from Hergivenhair. This is my signature U-part wig, Glory Crown Signature. It is in the Coily 3C48 texture, the natural color, and it's in 18 inches, and I got a cap size small. So I did take out some of my two-strand twists in the front because we're going to go ahead and create 2 braids. I did leave the hair out around the hairline, so now I'm just literally cornrowing my hair going back, and I'm going to do 2 braids. Braids don't have to be perfect because no one's going to see them anyways, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue to braid back. As you guys can see, this is a U-part unit, so I'm going to install it so that it works best for me. It does have adjustable bands, combs, and all of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the net out. Won't be applying a wig cap, but I'm going to show y'all how to get it popping, how I'm going to do it so it can blend in really good with my hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. And those 2 braids, that's where we're going to put the wig combs. Now you want to put them a little far back from your braids. You don't want to put them right at the start of your braids. So y'all, I'm just like adjusting it. So basically I'm going to take my crochet hook through my hair, loop some of the wig hair through, and pull it over, and that is going to hide the track. So you don't want to braid your braids down too tight because you won't be able to loop the hair through. So put the crochet hook through your hair, pull the hair around through the hook, and pull it back. And I'm literally just going to go ahead and repeat the same step all around the U part. Now, this is time consuming. I'm not going to lie. You guys, this took me like 30 minutes to do because take your time. You don't want to snatch out your rear hair. But this is a way for your, your U part to look natural. And then you don't have to use any leave out. And my hair is not long enough to do any leave out with a U part. So this is the best way for me. But if your hair is long enough, you don't have to do it this way. But yeah. But yeah, take your time. Don't rush. And just, do piece by piece. So once I was done, I left my hairline out, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush that back with some Eco Styler gel. And then on top, I'm going to put some even edge control just to get it more sleek. I'm not doing baby hairs or anything like I normally do. We're just pulling it completely back with a few little swoops. I'm going to take some of the Edge Booster Hideout in black, and I'm going to put that on my hairline just to make it look darker and fuller. And then I went ahead and tied that down, and now I'm going to work on the hair. So I'm literally just going to spray the hair down with some water first. This hair is super full. Y'all know Hergivenhair, they don't skimp out on the hair. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some Curl Enhancing Smoothie to really get the curls popping and get them full, make them look juicy. And then on top of that, I am going to put some Lotta Body Mousse. And that's just going to go ahead and seal that in and give me the curl, that I want. Like the juicy curls, the body. And it's also helping me shape the hair up. Right there in the front, I'm going to pull my real hair back, brush it back. And I'm just going to pin it into place so it's not like sticking out. And yes, boom. And now we're done, you guys. Look at how the hair looks. It's so pretty. The curl pattern is beautiful. It's super full. Look at how natural the part is. It looks so good. Looks like my hair coming out of my scalp because I use my own hairline. Period. Get into it. Y'all know Hergivenhair, do not skimp out. And the hair is a minimal shedding. You will get a little bit, but it's not bad. And it wouldn't be me if I don't do my infamous half up, half down. Because if you've been watching me for a long time, you know I don't like hair on my face. So you got to do is gather the hair. If your hair is longer than mine, your hair will stretch up into the ponytail. But if your hair is not, I'm going to show you how to finesse it. So gather some of the weird hair at the top, and you're going to just go ahead and put that into a ponytail. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and rate the unit. I'm going to give it an A. It is really, really popping. I love the curl pattern. I love how full it is. And it gives a lot of versatility. So yes, you guys. So I'm just going to take these bobby pins and I'm going to stretch my hair going up and pin it up. Now you won't even see the pins because the hair is so full and the hair from the ponytail is going to fall over it, so you won't see it at all. And then I'm just going to go ahead and, like, fluff up the ponytail to how I want it to be. You can do a bun if your hair is longer or whatever the case may be. And I'm just touching up my hairline, fluffing it. You know how you do, get it adjusted to how you like. So with the combs being in my braids, it's not bothering me or anything. They're not irritating me. So as you guys can see, the hair is so full, you don't see any tracks with it being up in a ponytail. So yes, you guys, make sure you guys check out Hergivenhair. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The unit that I rock today will be in the description box below as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.